Hello everyone. My name is Jay and I work in a New York based financial software product company as a software engineer. Before I talk about the book, I want to emphasize on the trend as being students how we ignore reading reference books and prefer curriculum specific notes. When you actually start working and face the industry level challenges is when you realize how important it is for us to understand the concepts that can be applied to solve problems of any level. In my work experience dealing with the challenges in the financial industry, I have got a chance to work on numerous datasets ranging from thousands to millions of records, extracting meaningful insights and building different AI models to leverage the overall business is a very important factor here. I am very happy to share my experience about reading the book Artificial Intelligence Making a System Intelligent, which explains artificial intelligence in the most simplest form to a very complex one. The concepts in this book are well articulated with industry level examples wherever relevant that have helped me come across some hurdles while building different AI models. The best part about this book is that it covers a horizon full of AI methodologies ranging from fuzzy logic to natural language processing to recommender systems, cognitive computing, and many more. For students and industry experts out there who are enthusiastic about exploring the world of AI, I would highly recommend this book to you guys. Wishing everyone a good luck. Thank you.